Hi, good morning.
Thank you,
Sir
Sir Nolly.
Luigi. Nolly.
Thank you, Sir Nolly.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you, sir. For today's video, playing in Forest Hills. Palmers ba tayo? Oh, Palmers pala. Ngayon ko lang. Oh,
White ba?
oh, white. White tea. Tapos we are playing, I think this is the first time we're playing here in this golf course sa Palmer. Hole number 1, 309 yards. It's uphill, handicap 13. Okay, I think we're playing the whiteys. Yan. This is the tournament. So it's a fundraising, I think, for the school. Ayan, so nakita kami ng aking idol, Doc Ryan. Nakita kami ni Doc Candy, nagme-merienda.
Oo nga eh. Kasi gutom na yung mga bata.
Oo nga eh.
Mukhang
Yun! Nice shot. Alright, playing the DIS golf tournament. You know. Nice shot, Doc. Okay, this is our flight. Playing with Robert, Sam, and Hubert. Shout out sa aming mga caddy. Oh, ito mo name mo ate. Si Lynn. Helen. Sarah. Kailangan mo ano, medyo pabulong. Sarah. Pagkailangan. Tsaka si
Rachel po.
Rachel. Ayan. Okay.
sarap Sara. Yan ang
Papasok ko lang Lynn. Ganyan lang Lynn. Tapos. Yun. Gitnang gitna. Center of the middle. Ganda. Uy, fade. O, yan ang sasabi ko. Ayan, nag-fade na ugso. Inulit lang, face.
Nice shot.
Ayun lang. Driver ko na.
120 yards to the flag. Saan to dapat, Lynn? Kanan ng konti? Okay. Hitting a 56 degree wedge. Wow.
Nice.
Boom.
On.
Kaliwa ka ba
Wow.
yun? Hinangin pala, tama lang. Okay. Hubert left with around 110 yards. Slide pull. Okay, Mr. Rapadas left with 90 yards. Okay lang yan, kick left yan. Itsura pa lang eh. Nice shot. Nice shot. Okay, Sam and Hubert to go up and down for a par. Malakas. Baba.
Uy, tangin na ako mag-at. Gago. Ay, lakas.
Tingin mo. Hubert for par. Bilis. Tama na. Tama na. Bilis. Mr. Sam Ganasis for par. Kuha. Uy. Mahina. That's good, brother. That's good, brother. Ayan, patutok lang. Wala ka.
Wow. Nice birdie.
I am now, that was a good birdie. I am now currently 1 under. So hole number 2, par 5, 428 yards. Slightly, I think dog leg right. Agoy. Uy, nag-turn. Okay, hole number 2. Ganda oh. The play is aim for those bunkers left of that left of those bunkers. Naku, kumaliwa. Yung mga follower natin ngayon, oh. Hello, shoutout sa aming mga kaddy.
Yes, so mamaya.
Mga babae.
Follow ka namin.
Oy, mag-shoutout na rin. Hello. Oo. Hanapin nyo sa Forest Hills. Ano mga pangalan nyo para alam ng mga nagsus... Angela at
Jonalyn po.
Jonalyn. Ano number nyo? Ah, walang number sa likod. Uy.
Okay lang. Sige, doon na tayo
Si Jollibee at saka si McDonald's, Ben.
Ay, follow for more ha.
Follow for more. Left with 163 yards to the flag. The flag is here sa likod ng malaking puno. I am hitting a 8 iron. Wait, but look up. Mga tako?
Mahirap yung mga lay eh.
Oo, tama. Terrible second shot, topped it. Hindi ko in-consider yung lie ko. So medyo batok-tok. Left with 98 yards to the flag against the wind. Hitting a controlled 56-degree wedge. Ano ba yan? Madali ako. Left with 50 yards to the flag. Little left to right siguro to. Hitting 60 degrees.
Nice. Oh.
Mr. Rapadas. Seven. Uy.
Oh.
Mahihina lang. Uy, Uber, tapos ka na? Yun! Ay! Okay na yan, brother. Sayang. That was a terrible bogey. From 160 yards left sa par 5. Sayang yun. At least, na-bogey. I'm now currently even par. So hole number 3 of Palmer is a... You don't have to go for it. No need to go for a hero shot. 257 yards. It's dog leg right. So the play is from the white tees for aim for that red stick sa gitna. You will be left with 100 yards to the flag. So from the white tees to reach that red stick, it's 160. So I'm hitting either a 7 iron or an 8 iron.
Nice shot.
160 lang yung stick na yan eh.
Nice shot.
Tapos matitira sa'yo 100 yards na lang to the flag. So, ay, kanan naman. Yun. Nice shot by the management.
Management gets another shot.
I am left with 120 yards to the flag.
Okay.
I'm hitting a full 50-degree wedge kasi it's uphill pero it's also downwind. So hopefully 50 degrees is enough. Uy, ba't ko nakakast? Hassel, nakakast ko yung mga second shots ko with my wedges. I think kulang ako sa hinge. Okay, but try to subukan bumawi. So, third shot to go up and down for par. Left with 65 yards to the flag. Hitting mga siguro tirang 50 na regular.
Go. Nice shot.
For par, layo, 11 paces. Looks like double break. Ano tingin mo, Lin? Kaliwa. Ako, tingin ko rin kaliwa eh. Double?
Double.
That was a very terrible approach. I'm now currently 2 over. Adjusted with the pin placement. It's playing 150 yards. Hitting a 9 iron.
Soccer. Uy, ka.
Uy,
Kick left yet.
ganda ng kuha. Nako! Jesus Christ!
No, no. Nice shot.
I went over the green, left with 32 yards to the flag, hitting a nippy 60-degree wedge.
Nice.
Uy! Bilis talaga. Pero masaya na breakable. Okay, everyone putting for par. Kinain ng damo. I have this par putt. Looks like right to left, uphill 4 paces.
Go.
Ating gulong na lang.
Ulang, pak!
Lay. That's good, Ugs. Good bogey. Hole number 5. I am now currently 3 over. From the white tees, this is how it looks like. Oh, kung brave pala, pwedeng ano. If you are brave, you can go for it. Yan. Pero to lay up, to before that bangin, ito, mga play 160 yards. Pero kung tatawirin, to cross the bangin, it's 215 yards. Safe na safe. Huwag ka lang tumalbog ng sobra. Okay. Good angle. Good shot.
Parang hinanwads rin, no?
Nice. Right.
Boy, nakikinig sa'yo yung bola ko ah. Hindi mo sinasabi ko yung go to the hole.
Shot.
Ganda. Tama na. Tama na. Down! Down! Okay, buti lang bumite.
Buti na lang.
Huwag ka lang mas timey dun.
Oo.
Left with 130 yards to the flag.
Subtitle naman.
Hitting a pitching wedge. Kasi uphill.
Nice. Oh,
Okay, Mr. Lim with 130 yards. Kaliwa lang. Okay lang, kick right. Ay, kumanan lang. That is for his birdie. Up and down for birdie.
It's okay.
That's outside. Okay, I have a birdie putt pero ang layo. Sa training mo, anong tingin mo dito? Right to left? Left to right? Right to left. Okay, halos isang sampate.
sampata.
Lara, left to right pala yun.
Hindi,
Mali ang
tama.
basa.
Dito matututo ka magbasa.
Ha? Tingnan mo dun, ang hirap eh.
Mahirap dun eh.
Mr. Gun for par. Mr. Gun na talaga na.
Ha?
Papera pa na naman ako mag-edit nito. Kaliwa. Kaliwa.
Nice ba, oy?
Kulang!
Mm.
Hugi pa. Ano ba yan? 3-pot. Hole number 6. 324 yards. Blind hole again. No idea. I think it's dog leg left. Not sure also if it's a driver hole. Kanan lang.
Okay lang yan.
Okay, paiwan lang.
Nice shot.
Sakto pala. Ang ganda ng cut na yan. Ay, ng fade. Ganda ng ugi. I'm still left with 126 yards to the flag.
Ano, wala yung bola?
Slightly downwind, downhill. Hitting a full 56-degree wedge.
Nice.
Down. Down.
Oh.
Just landed left off the green. 20 yards left to right. Mabilis. Tingin ko dun kung saan yung bola nila. Go, go.
Wow. Nice shot.
Nice shot. Nice shot. Ikaw! Hubert to go up and down for either par or bogey.
Ganda niyan.
Ay!
Bounce. Pangit ng bounce, oh, dun.
Mr. Rapadas for birdie.
Something for you. Yun.
For birdie, for birdie.
Much better, sabi mo. Much better.
Birdie, baby. Birdie! Birdie! Nice spot! Good birdie! Nice spot, brother. Nice bird, Ugs. Palmer. Left to right. Left to right, left to right.
Go, go. Yes.
Bigay mo yun.
Left.
Hindi naman. Uy! Nag-right to left naman yung akin.
Sa'yo wala?
Nag-right to left.
Talaga?
Hole number 7. Hindi ko makuha yung mga putts. Grabe, sayang. Hole number 7. It's a short par 4. 221 yards from the white tees. Dog leg left. That's if mapapadraw mo ang bola and uphill. It's playing 230 yards to the flag. Dog leg left. Naku! 4! Hindi. Nakakatakot lang.
Oo nga, mamaya na tayo.
Mamaya na. Hubert, Sam and myself around 40 yards. Ganda yan, Hubert. Pasok! Nice shot, Hubes.
Amazing. Thank you.
Amazing. Superb. Nasa akin, hawak ka na. Left with 36 yards to the flag. Little to no green to work with. I will try to nip it. It looks like it's right to left. A 30-yard nip. Subok. Nice out, Sam! Grabe naman yun! Uy! Grabe naman yun! Ganda! Good par! Nice shot, Sam! Kabait ka?
Yun. Nice.
Hindi lang talaga ako dito na short. Okay, 8 paces left to right for birdie. 6 paces. Palong 6 lang siguro to. Birdie ulit! Back to back. Ay, hindi pala. 6 paces.
Grabe. Buti pa yung gano'n sumusod. Ano ba yun? Par lang? Sabi mo, firm. Laylay ko.
Puro ganun? Mali basa ko.
What a bad.
Oh, bad putting pala. Okay lang naman yung laro. puro bogey. Lahat bogey. Unfortunately, nahirapan kami mag-read ng caddy ko. 2 weeks pa lang siya sa pagka-caddy. So this is playing 149 yards. Pero let's see with the rangefinder. Jabong.
Lalaman niya, jabong.
Kaliwa eh.
Sa jabong.
Ganda. Hubert. Sige pa, fade. Fade pa. Turn pa. Wow!
Buti na lang.
Ganda. Kaso diniligan kasi.
Niligan
Di mas better yung
Wala, tok.
hazard yun.
Hazard tayo, +1.
Ay, kanan. Behind pa.
Down.
Sayang hindi nag-draw ang aking golf ball. It still landed right of the fairway, or right of the green, 22 yards to the flag. It looks like it's right to left. Okay, hitting a 60-degree wedge. Wow!
Oh, go.
Bilis pala nun. I have this putt for par. Left to right. 4 paces. Pababa.
Birdie.
Birdie! Ayaw talaga mag-bird.
Ayaw mag-bird talaga.
Ayan, ako na.
Hayop. Hayop naman yun.
Yun, kuha.
Ganda naman.
Good putt. Grabe, still can't make a putt. Okay naman. Hole number 9, 518 yards. This is their handicap hole. Handicap 1. I'm not sure if that is the green. Yung mayroon dalawang bunker. Ate, yan ba yung green? Kakaliwa? Ah, okay. Hindi blind hole ulit? Yes, sir. Okay. Naku, hinataw mo, muntik na.
Wow!
Nag-draw ba? Perfect. Oh, maganda.
Ganda nun. Crisping. Ganda. Nice one, Bird. Thank you.
Nice shot. Sam 4, ha?
Nice shot.
Gaganda naman yan. Perfect.
Ganda rin eh. Mataas lang pero yun talaga kasi yung nag-Elena tayo ganyan din talaga eh. What a hole. Yun pala yung bangin.
Nagpe-fade siya.
Layo pa.
Not too much.
Oh no!
Not too much.
Jesus!
Safe.
Christ!
Safe. You're safe, brother.
You're safe, but
But what?
you are.
Oh, kala ko.
You are.
You're safe, but I see you. It's 50-50. I am left with 220 yards to the flag. Course management, laying up here, playing 150, hitting a pitching wedge. Nice shot.
Oh, nice.
Nice shot. I'm left with 80 yards to the flag. Wala namang hangin. Okay, hitting a choke down 60-degree wedge. Oh.
Nice, go.
Bye! Sabi ko na sobra.
Nice.
Just landed over the green. 8 paces. It looks like it's left to right na putt downhill. Kailangan firm. Okay. Tingin ko kaliwa. Ano ko lakas? Sabi ko na yan, kapal eh. Kaya takot ako magpat talaga sa pin.
Salamat, Sam. Wala pa. Makapal.
Ay, ang damo.
Number 10, we are now down to a twosome dog leg left, playing 260 yards. Okay. Playing 260 yards. Wala na, going with the driver. Perfect naman ang drone na yan. Nice shot, brother.
Thank you.
Nice shot.
Thank you.
Nice shot.
26 yards to the flag. Looks like it's right to left. Bump run with 60 or 50 degrees. Dun kumagat sa...
Laba.
Mali. Ano ba yan? Right to left 6 spaces. 1 cup. Laki ng bali. Bogey. Hindi pa rin tapos yung sumpa. Bogey pa rin ha. Hole number 11. 290 yards. Very narrow fairway. Okay. Do I go? Yun! Eh, git!
Nice shot. Pick left.
Safe naman yata yun, no? Oo, parang nasa gilid lang ng park pot. 30 yards to the flag. Nipping a 60-degree wedge. Right to left.
Go. Nice. Go.
Sana naman mapar na yan. Nalaylay din.
Pa rin.
Ito, Luigi.
Bogey na naman.
Mabagal yung green. Right to left. Right inside. Halos right edge.
Oh, congrats. Wow, par.
Finally, hole number 12 is their signature hole. Kasi, look at that. Look at that view. 360-degree view of the mountains or of the golf course. It is downhill. Yan. May human drone. Sabi mo aim left.
Yun!
Nice.
Sobra yata, Luigi.
Kanan. Ay, over na konti.
Over eh, oh.
Ganda ng linya.
Solid eh, oh.
Nice. Pasok. Wow! Ganda.
Tagal uminit. Ay, yung drone na si Tin, oh. Susubsob na siya sa ano. Okay. Mas maganda pala hindi pinapat eh. Makapal yung damo, no? Parang matagal yung hindi nagupitan.
Nakaliwa ka na naman, Hubert. Okay.
Nice. Go. It's a nice shot.
Maganda yung tama, buti lang lumusot. Left with 135 yards to the flag. With the wind, pero may tubig sa harap. So hitting pitching wedge. Go!
Go.
3 points.
Nice.
So safe pa? Barely made it. Left. Ano to? Double brake, right to left. Talagang dyan ka pa nagpunta ha, buwis-buhay ka din pala.
Madam, madam.
Par.
Makuha na lang ito. Tapos.
Hole number 14, par 5, handicap 6. Dog leg right. Okay. Napakakitid. Okay,
Hindi
dog
pwede
leg
katawin
right. Oo. Okay, bahala na. Hitting a driver. Aiming for those bunkers.
Nice shot.
Hindi ko lang nakita kung saan nag-carry. I'm left with 141 yards to the flag. Right left pala siya. So the pin is here. Yan, nandito yung pin. So hitting a against the wind. 9 iron na lang. I will try to draw the golf ball.
Go.
Patong yan. Sakto yung draw.
Nice.
Boom! Woo! Okay, ating eagle. What? Wow! Uy, masyado maganda yung tama. Balik. Ay. Masok. Okay, I am chipping for eagle. Very happy with that. Napaba-draw ko ng malaki yung bola. Siguro giving it a grip right to left. Ang aim daw na sabi nung caddy. Sabi ko saan yung aim? Sir, dun po sa dahon. Ang hina, Luigi, no chance. Uphill.
Siguro si Doc sinabi.
Ooh,
Speed golf itong
left
dalawang
right.
ito.
Oo nga, tumatakbo pa tayo kanina. Okay, 4 birdie. Tingin ko right to left eh. Left to right. Pero yung bali ng putt niya kanina. Parang hindi mo pakaliwa eh.
Kaliwa po. Go!
Baliktad, right to left naman dun.
Right.
Parang gumigewang yung green. Ah, sayang. Hole number 15. From the white tees, it's playing 135 yards. Sayang, hindi ko pa na birdie. Biglang lumihis yung bola. Okay. Pitching tayo ulit. Okay. Playing 130 yards. I am hitting a pitching wedge.
Gawin ko eh.
May konti pa.
May pull talaga ako.
Parang kita nga right hand mo yung right arm mo yung pumalo.
No? Right eh.
Ay, too much. Hinangin.
Hinangin?
Hinangin ng hangin.
Saan?
Nila ng hangin ang aking bola. 18 yards to the flag. Left to right. Mabilis.
Go.
Ay, right to left pala yun. So, dapat regular na tira. Hindi pa. Left to right, 7 paces. Against the green.
Paano
Pero,
nyo?
right to left. No? Yung damo rin para pag ganun eh. Okay, mga kalahating grip.
Come on, par.
Go!
Oh! Okay.
Bogey pa eh.
One new. Hindi, one over for the back.
Over sa back. Hole number 16. 460 yards. Anong klaseng butas to? Nasaan yung butas? Ha?
90 degrees right.
90 degrees right. So, palong ilan dapat?
150.
150. So talagang ano siya?
Pwede itong i-shortcut. Dito yung ano. Ayan, nasa i-shortcut eh.
Ayoko.
O kasi hindi ko alam kung saan eksakto eh.
Pataas po ito, nasa right ang pin.
Pag shortcut mo, palong ilan dapat? 200 plus?
Yeah.
Pero hindi yung linya. Medyo pa rin eh.
Diyan lang.
Ayan, playable.
Nice. Go.
Good shot ba yan?
Nice po yan. Safe.
Safe yan?
Safe yan, Teno.
Mukha naman safe.
Safe po yun.
Nakakatakot naman kasi yung mga go nyo eh. Okay. Second shot. It's still 270 yards to the flag. Severe uphill. Bahala na. Go. Hindi naman for going for it, but hitting a 3-wood. Aiming for that 3. Just in case it fades.
Nice shot.
Angat.
Nice, angat.
Magkaabot sa bunker. Okay. Kaya pala umabot. Kaya pala. Come on, Luigi. Another chance to go up and down for birdie. 30 yards to the flag. Adjusted. I will try to nip a 60-degree wedge. Kaliwa. Lakas lang ng konti. Babait ka. Lakas lang ng konti. I have 17 paces. Layo pala. With the wind pala, hindi ko na consider. Carried behind the green. Bagal. Come on, one time. Layo. Right to left pala sa dulo. Nga, hindi naman pumali eh. Pareho tayong birdogi. Ay, kanina pa ako nalololo ko na ito. What a hole. 200, 400 yards. Tapos yun, may mga malaking jabong. Walang 200. Yan, perfect. Ang ganda ba yan? Oh, pumapalakpak eh. Ay, nakasamahan sipa. Tama na. Sober. Masyadong maganda yung tama. Masyadong maganda yung tama. 200 with the wind. 6 iron lang, 6 iron.
May papalubag-loob pa eh. Sabi at least maganda.
Maganda.
Sobrang
Hindi, maganda naman talaga ng tama.
Oo.
Sa manusipa eh.
Tsaka relax lang.
Uy! Nag-fade na yun.
Stay! Ano?
Nawala eh.
Hazard din?
Nawala.
Left with 170 yards to the flag. Hitting a 7 iron. Sa flag pa talaga si Kuya Tabayo eh.
Alam niya hindi pupunta doon yung bola. Sanay na yan.
Op,
First bunker of the day.
bunker.
Sanay na yan.
Huwag kang magwapa.
Patayan.
Safe. Ayun, makikita. Landed on the bunker. Left to right in the bunker. 18 yards to the flag. Left to right. Okay. Right to left. Need to flap. Diyan lang, kahit dyan ka lang pumesto ka rin. Huwag ka nang bumaba.
Grabe, bumaba pa doon? Layo na ba yung silibat doon?
10 paces. Right to left. Hindi, kailangan. Kailangan ko.
Malayo eh. Pinalo ko lang. Distance ang habol ko eh. Nice one.
Double. Okay, last hole. Playing 328 yards.
Ilan?
Saan ang pin? Yan yung sa likod ng mga puno na yan. Ha? Ah, hindi yun.
Hindi, yan po sa ano taas.
Ah, ito. Okay.
Price. Grabe.
Oo, grabe. Yung tatabirin mo yung bangin na yun.
Oo.
Hindi,
Grabe.
pero ano po yung talaga.
Ito. So yung play, parang 'di ba kikita mo yung white stick na yan, yung black and white.
Yun yung target.
Harap lang nun.
Target.
Tapos 150 ba 'yon ang matitira doon? Ah, okay. Okay. So pwede mong i-aim yung radio box na 'yun. 'Di ba? Sa kaliwa. Okay, kaliwa ng red stick. Okay. Oh, inaalalayan mo na, bro. Oh, iba yung swing mo eh. Parang ka ano? Ayun, safe. Living on the edge.
Nice shot. Go. Go lang yan.
Wala naman tayong choice talaga kundi tawirin talaga. Bahala na. Okay. Mamaya na tayo magsisihan. Okay, left with 130 yards. Slightly downwind, but it's uphill. So hopefully this is a correct choice of using a or hitting a pitching wedge.
Nice, go. On.
Tama na.
Wow. Tawa lang.
Okay, this spotting bird. Bird to go up and down for a par. Ano sa kaliwa? Ay, naka bite. Ito si Lynn, oh, tawa ng tawa, oh. Kakabagin ka niyan. Ayan, paturo tayo sa kanya. Hindi, pero at least makita ko kung gaano kabilis at saka gaano ka, no? Bali. Kanina pa ako nag-iimbento, eh. Hubert, for par. Ako, 9 paces.
Palong through.
Palong through.
Palong through. Kakaiba ito si Sarah.
Kakaiba to, hindi na makakaulit to na player.
Oo.
Uy, pasok na, oh! Follow through! Follow through nga sana! Sayang. Ang bilis, ha? Kanan.
Palong through eh.
Palong through.
Kapit.
Okay na yan.
Palong through. Pogi.
Gano'n kalaki sa kanan binigay niyo, Sarah? Malaki?
Laki.
Laki.
Ah,
Sampate.
18.5 inches.
Nahawa na sa akin si Sir.
Palong to.
Palong through.
Palong through kasi sabi niya eh.
May bago na naman ako ipapauso tuloy sa channel.
Palong through.
Palong through.
Go.
Uy, kulang lang ng
Kulang
speed.
ng speed.
Kasi nakita ko sa'yo, kaya nag-flip out ang lakas, eh. Kaya
Lakas, eh.
nagalang ko.
Sabi niya eh, palong through ko daw eh.
Kaya nga, eh.
Par.
Thank you, Lynn. Lynn, thank you. Thank you.
Magpa-follow po.
Ito, operin mo ko. Huwag mo iwan sa... Thank you. Sarah! Brother, nice playing again with you. Sa ulitin. Good luck. Good luck sa iyong championship. Oh. Sarah, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed today. What can you say about the round today?
Palong through.
No, speechless. I can't. Jesus Christ. Nice shot.